All right, an early start. It's going to be a big day. After almost 2 years in the making, we're going to send her on down the road. Okay, so after a lot of playing around, we are getting closer. Check this out. Left, right, hazards. If you can believe it, what was keeping it from working was this guy. I mean, I don't know how I found it. I just started mucking around with this bulb and wiggled this, and it got a better connection, and that was it. That was all that was preventing it. After swapping out the 3 flashers, 2 signal stats, and just fumbling around and getting extremely frustrated, that's all it was that little clip holding that bulb. There we go, we got flashers. So I need to sort out the stoplight, but we are making progress. Cool. All right, we're back in business. So thanks to an email from Wade, the fellow that sold me the gauges, he saw the last video and said, hey, just so you know, the signal and the brake lights share the same wire. So that really helped me out, so thanks for that. So what ends up happening is when you step on the brakes, these will work. So I had the signals working, but these will work when you step on the brakes. But then if you have the signal going, that'll actually trump it, and the signals will go and override the brakes. So they share the same wire. That was a big learning, and that solved the problem. So great, we're moving forward now. I'm gonna mount this on the frame rail. I'm gonna hook up the extension wire, and then I'm just working here at the back on the putting in the new lights. So for now, we're just gonna do four reds, and eventually I'll need a backup light, maybe cut a hole here. I mean, this is old and rusty. I'm gonna get it eventually replaced, but for now, at least we'll get some signal lights, so we'll be kind of, you know, legal to go down the road. So we'll keep moving forward here and see if we can get some lights all the way to the back. So I'm just putting the connectors on, and to avoid what happened last time with these little ends getting corroded off, I'm just putting on some of this corrosion prevention compound. So tries to keep out all the salt and grime, keep stuff from rusting. Yeah, so basically what I'm going to be doing is connecting for the left and the right, the similar colors together, and then I'll run them up in a nice conduit into the junction box, and then we'll have left signal, right signal, and then all 4 should be stoplights. So I'm still picking away at it, and man, what an incredible time suck wiring is. To do it right and try and get wrapped and soldered correctly and cut to the right lengths. But I know it'll all pay off when I finally get some signal lights. So we'll just keep picking away at this. All right, let's test her out. Okay, we've got blinkers here. Fingers crossed. Success! All right, one step closer. Okay, next step is to get these signal lights on the front going. So I'm just wiring them up. I'm just gonna temporarily run them through the little triangle window for now, until I can have a little more time, and then I'll run it properly through the door and through this. But again, goal is to get this thing on the road today. So let's get these connected up and get some lights. So here's a tech tip for your CB antennas. Get one of these springs, because I've got a lot of overhanging trees, and I actually busted one of these off just because the tree caught it, bent it over, and they're pretty easy to break. So throw on one of these on each side, and hopefully that solves that problem. Okay, so I'm just running new wires, and I'll put them in loom and then run them under the cab and then run to that junction box where I know I've got good signals for left and right and running lights. So now I just need to connect them into the wires that I brought in from the side there. So we'll connect all this up and hopefully we get some signal lights. There, so I got the wires coming out now. I'm just putting the loom around it and then we'll run it into the truck. Okay, all wired. Moment of truth. Let's give her a go. There you go. Left and right. We are just about ready to roll. Let's do a quick little safety check. Maybe adjust the brakes, check all the fluid levels, clean all my crap off the back of the truck, get my camera woman to help me out, and we'll get rolling. Let's go for a ride, Reese. Thanks for videotaping me. First time leaving. Oh, look on the trees. I'm gonna call that a win. Got her up to temperature, no more white smoke. So yeah, thanks to the all the people that commented. You guys are right, we just needed to blow the carbon out of her. Oh man, that's fun. And what a rewarding experience after 2 years of grinding away on this thing. I finally got my Peterbilt. Today is a good day.